this is Vanjin. We're at the office of Dr. Lyle D. Weeks in El Paso, Texas today, 5407 North Mesa. We are going to go ahead and do a PICO Genesis on this patient here today. So the PICO Genesis today is for revitalization. We are going to try to even out her skin tone. She has a little bit of acne issues. It's going to help go ahead and shrink down those pores and help with the acne, and it helps build collagen. So you've seen me do one of these before, but the last time we treated for melasma. And so that's a little bit faster. You do less pulses than you do for the revitalization. The great thing about this treatment, you can do it on either this for melasma, all skin tones. So from your lightest patient to darkest patient, it's safe on all skin tones. Ready? 1 to 10. You're okay? So it's a number of passes that we just do all across the face. 1 to 10. How bad is it?
Like a 1.
Perfect.
It doesn't even hurt at all. Just feels like, have you ever been in the rain and stuck your hand out a window?
Correct.
Driving like that, and then it's gone.
Great. So she actually described it. I just want to see how this looks, and it's we actually could go up on the settings a little bit. It's like, was it like prickly rain?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
It kind of tingles and tickles a little bit, but not painful at all.
So this treatment, when done for revitalization, is done monthly, and it's usually a set of 4 treatments, depending on, of course, the patient's skin condition. Just like everything else, it's also what you do at home, and depending on what the patient's needs are is what we'll prescribe for the individual needs here. Feel good?
Yeah.
One more time.
I guess that it tickles more than anything.
She's great, isn't she? You can turn her face to the left or to the right.
Oh, sorry. The other way.
Whichever one is great. The great thing about this treatment is that there is no downtime. So she'll be slightly pink after the treatment, and that is it. She'll just wash with gentle soap tonight, no harsh soap, and that is it. No downtime at all. Patients will actually schedule these treatments during their lunchtime and go back to work. We just ask that, of course, like with any laser treatment, that she doesn't exercise tonight or put any heat to the face over the next couple of days. Sunscreen is super important regimen, which is what we should all be doing, whether we're getting laser treatments or not. And then we'll schedule Jen again 4 weeks from now. So she starts to see results over about at week 3. People start to see the changes in their skin, although I did have a patient call me very recently and asked me what was the name of the laser we had done, because everybody had commented the following day how bright and refreshed her face looked. with all patients doing a laser treatment, we have patients, make sure that patients aren't wearing or haven't been using any kind of retinol, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, at least 5 days prior to treatment. It makes the patient, it just makes the treatments way too sensitive. We do have a package of these treatments, set of 4. Okay, go ahead and look straight up. The great thing about here is that you don't have to put your chin up. We actually can go over the lips as well, so we're going to revitalize the lips. You just need to make sure that the lips are closed. Don't pucker them in, just closed, okay? 1, 2, 3. Time. Okay, turn to the right, please.
Why does it make that more of a popping noise in your ear?
So sometimes you can hear the poppy noise. Sometimes if you hear your hair, sometimes you have little hairs, you can hear that. You can actually smell a little bit of your hairs. Can you smell them?
Yeah. Will this get rid of some of the sunspots from
It will.
tanning and that?
So it is, so this one, this laser is, since there is no downtime, of course, more treatments are required, but it helps for revitalization. As I said, it helps build collagen. It helps even out the skin tone, helps decrease pore size, helps even out the skin tone. So Jen was just asking if it's going to help her with the sunspots. Yes, it will.
Somebody would like to know, what is this procedure best for?
So this procedure, the one that we're doing on Jen today, is for revitalization. So we're just revitalizing her whole face. We're helping because Jen also has some acne issues. It's going to help build collagen, and it is going to even out her skin tone, giving her a nice glow and help with the acne. This is the same laser that we use, that can be, and it can be used on all skin types, from the lightest patient to the darkest patient. Many lasers are not skin type friendly. If you're somebody who's a little bit on the darker side, a lot of the times laser treatments, are limited. Not with this one. This is great for people that have melasma, and those are done every 6 weeks without any downtime. It just goes getting rid of that melasma. So a lot of lasers have a different platforms. This one is also our tattoo laser machine. So, but for this treatment, what we're doing today, PICO Genesis, is to revitalize the skin.
So I have a lot of scarring on my chin, and that's going to get rid of it, right?
Yes, it'll help with all that scar. That's the PICO Genesis. Super fast, super easy. I guess, let me see, how long did it take? Like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, somewhere around there. Very fast. As you can see, her face is a little pink, and that's exactly what we want to see. That's a great treatment. Right now, I'll just put a very gentle moisturizer and some sunscreen, and that's it. Post-treatment instructions: just wash her face with some gentle soap, gentle face wash, that is. and moisturize, and then tomorrow morning sunscreen. Tomorrow evening she can go back to her normal skincare regimen. So that's the PICO Genesis here at NV Aesthetic Center. This is Vanjin Jen with Dr. Weeks at 5407 North Mesa, El Paso, Texas at NV Aesthetic Center. Our number is 915-845-3223, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for tuning in.